They have about 23 cans.
If you have a pipe boot that has been worn out or is missing, which appear, I'm not sure which that one is. It doesn't look like there ever was one on it.
No, it wasn't.
It should have a mushroom cap there, but to fix any leaks that you might have around that pipe, temporary fix, it's not a permanent fix. I would use a Flex Seal spray. It works real well on small leaks, not big leaks, but small ones. So any of your pipe boots, you might want to just spray a good little bit of Flex Seal around it. Watch out where you're walking too. You better be stepping on some rafters or you're going to make more damage on your roof. Last thing you want is more damage. This will dry in about 20 or 30 minutes to the point where you don't want it raining, but you can touch it. And then if you give it all day long, it's going to be 70 today, and you do that right there, it will dry enough so that it doesn't run off your roof. As long as you don't have a rainstorm within the next 12 hours, because that will beat it off. Other than that, that's a good fix for your mobile home on your, any pipe boot or any small leak. This is not for big leaks or big cracks. If you have a small crack, you can fix it, or a pipe boot that's leaking, or an area like that that's letting water in. You can fix stuff like that. That's just cracked cool seal, and there's a good possibility you could be getting water in that area. You can see the crack in it right there. So you take something like that, put a little bit of this Flex Seal around it, and that would seal up that little crack. That's really all you need to do. That seal, that crack is sealed. He doesn't have any leaking problems across here, although he does have another pipe boot right here. So did we spray it? Yes, we sprayed it. Huh?
Yes, I sprayed it.
Yes. So we just wanted to make sure we didn't have anything going on here, so we just put a light spray around the pipe. So if you have a pipe boot leak on your mobile home and it looks like this, Flex Seal is probably going to be your best bet. To spray it real nice, give it a good coat, make sure you fill in any cracks. Make sure you look at the weather and it's not going to rain within the next 12 to 24 hours would be nice. Other than that, that's about all you can do. Unless you have a better roof on it than what you got here, that's going to be a problem later on. It's got a little dip right here, and the material here, the Flex Seal, whatever they've used, is never going to get dry out, so it's staying soft all the time because it's always going to be wet. That softness eventually will go back. So it's not good to have low spots like that in a roof that holds water, especially if it's on a piece of tin and leaves are sitting on it, because just the corrosiveness from the leaves deteriorating will rust that metal, and he's going to have the same problem he had before he did that. So it's not the best fix you can get. You can't do anything with that, Paul. It's too wet.
No.
But he's not leaking there right now, but I can see it coming down the road. So we just came here to make sure that he had some good seal around his pipes, and that's it. Gave him a price on a rubber roof. If you look, obviously you've seen my rubber roofs if you're a subscriber or a visitor to my channel very often. All right, guys, we're done with this thing. We've sprayed around the pipe boots, and we're going to call it good. I'm pretty sure that should take care of any leaks that they have on this particular house. It wasn't a big one, but it was a leak.